What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to SV Californica. It's been a while, so a lot has gone on since my last exploration videos and everything I've been doing. So I wanted to take a moment, kind of update you with everything that's been going on. So like I think I mentioned in one of my previous videos, one of the last ones, that Jack the Salty Dog had passed. But at the same time, there's a lot of other life changes type things that I'm not really going to get into right here, just because I'm still kind of working through them, but some heavy things and a big transition to real exciting news that I now am a resident of Catalina Island. So I actually accepted a position with the Catalina Island Conservancy, and I will now be working as the Rare Plant Ecologist for the island. So my job is to now make sure that the rare plants on Catalina are in good shape and do not go extinct. And so it's a new transition for me. You know, I come from a background as a nursery grower, so as a native plant propagator, but I am classically trained in conservation through the university, and yeah, and I have a special skill set that we're going to be using here on Catalina, how to grow these rare plants, much like the plant tissue culture with the Cercocarpus, with the mountain mahogany I described in a previous video. So yeah, I'm really excited for this next chapter, and I'm really excited to share this and take you all along with me as we try to save the rare plants on Catalina and make sure that they don't go extinct. So we'll do some exploring. Right now, Californica, she's not working. I just have this gremlin in the engine I'm trying to work out, so I'll reach out to you guys about that in the future. But she's still over in Dana Point. I still have the slip over there. I'm debating on bringing her over here full-time to the island, but I don't know if there's any viewers that might be able to help me with that as far as a mooring or anything like that. Let me know. I don't know if I want to keep her in Dana Point. I'm actually looking if there's any hookup in and around Newport Beach. That would be actually a little bit more ideal for me. So if anybody's watching that can help me with that, I would love to be open to it. So, but right now it's nice having a landing pad out on the mainland, but I am living in Catalina and it's just beautiful. So thank you all for watching. And I'm really excited for this next chapter, and happy to bring you all along. So fair winds, and looking forward to a lot of good exploration here on Catalina.